Ayo, what is up, my pescadorians? Hope you guys are all doing good, and if you're new, please subscribe and join us. So this is my third time filming the intro because the camera's acting up because the battery that I'm using isn't the best one, but I forgot the original battery at the house. But I want to say big shout out to Matias for letting us borrow the kayak, and also give him a shout out because it's his birthday. Yes sir.
What's up?
And we're gonna hopefully get on some snook today, maybe redfish, trout, jack, whatever's gonna be out here. That's the goal. And we got a manatee chilling right next to us. I'll show you guys. He should be right around there. Hopefully you guys can see him. And we got Matias right there rocking the NLBN merch. Check it out, check it out. Woo! Look at that manatee. What's up, buddy? Peace. Oh damn, he wants to say something to us. Word, he said subscribe. I don't want to do too much talking. Let's get to it. You. Hey yo, what is up, my pescadorians? So we tried fishing in the whole morning and we got no luck. As soon as it hit noon time, that's when me and Matias were over there started getting on more fish. I don't want to say too much, but we switch over to a frog and I'll let the footage do the talking. You. There's something right here. I'm gonna check it out. Check it out with the mini mullet. Oh my gosh. Snook, I think, bro. There was some nice snook in there. You hear them? Oh. I think these are jacks. Well, I see some snook in there. Oh my gosh, there's some big jacks with it, bro. Not a bad jack, bro. Yeah? Yeah. Bro, there were some big ones with them. Damn, bro, he's a good one. I mean, hey, he's pulling, I'll take it. I'm gonna try to pull him up before a shark gets him. Damn. Not a bad one, bro. Check that jack out, guys. We're gonna pop him out and let him go. They're making their way down your way, so start casting, yeah. Guys, but unfortunately, alright, there we go. He did choke you a little bit, but I'm pretty sure he'll be fine. Beautiful little jack. Head dive him. Just like that, he swam off. We gotta re-rig because that jack just frayed me up and bent my hook. Probably when I had to flip him. Look at that thing. Bent. Show you guys something I'm gonna throw. It's random, but hey, I think it would work, especially out here. Check that out. We're throwing a frog, bro. Why not, bro? Why not? Alrighty. And let's check something out. Let's see if they're gonna smoke it. That should get smoked. They weren't bad, dude. There were some nice ones on it, like following it up. Yeah. We'll cast out here just to see if something will actually follow it up. Just take a good look at it. Be like, hey, what is that? I don't know. Maybe not. We'll see. This is what I'm throwing. I'm gonna show you. Damn, that wind picked up. I'm throwing this. Young, start throwing it. See if we'll get a jack to blow up on it.
Yeah, you might.
Right here. Oh, yo, he boiled on it. You see, oh, yo, he saw, oh my gosh, on the frog, jacks. It was good sized jacks. You seen them getting to all the way right here, and then we got kicked out. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You seen that? Oh my gosh, guys. Yo, you saw that? Yeah. On the frog, bro. They're going crazy for it. Oh. Yo. It's deep, deep. Oh. That's not a bad one. It's a jack, bro. That's not a bad one, too. Smoked it right there, dude. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, damn. Not a bad jack. Not a bad jack on the frog, baby. Got him right there. Yes, sir. On the frog, bro. That's crazy. If he pops off right there, that's fine. Chill out, buddy. On the frog, bro. They wanted it. The blow up was so sick. Beautiful little jack. There he goes. Completely destroyed the frog. All right, let's get back out there and see if we can get another one. That was so awesome, guys. Oh man, that was sick, bro. I'm gonna try to do that again. On the frog, baby. On the frog. Got him.
Jack?
Yeah, it's a jack. They're all jacks. Guys, check this out. Smoking the frog, guys. Me and Matias are both doubled up right now. Bro, you're gonna see, there's gonna be so much around them. So insane.
I don't like touching Jack.
No? Damn, bro, he's just straight dogging me. Bro, you throw back in there, bro.
Bro, the heat is so cool.
Guys, check that out. On the frog, you can't make this up, bro. They are clapping this. Like, calm down, buddy. Alright. Guys, they are, look at that. Both prongs in there. Beautiful jack. Swam off like a champ. Throw back in there. Oh, there was one right behind me. Or something was behind me. There. Yeah. A boil? Oh. Oh my gosh. See if there's anything around them. Oh, nice tarpon just rolled right in front of the yak. Nice tarpon, like 100-pounder. We don't want him, we want the jacks. But oh, and just like that, the jacks are on them. Put the heat on him. Put the brakes on him. Put the brakes on him. That might not be a bad one, bro. You see the run he took compared to the other one? The other one was just straight dog. Oh, you know. Oh no. The other one just straight dogged me. This one is. He took a run. This one took a run, dude. He's just straight dogging me. He might be about the same size. That's what they're all looking like, to be the same size, but still. You can't beat it on top water, especially a frog. Nah. Just kidding. Oh, he might be a little bigger. Just with the way he's fighting compared to the other one. Oh, yo, he might be a real good one actually. No guarantees. We'll see. We'll see when we grab this fish. Guys, I can't. I have the drag full locked, and he's still. Yo. All right, we might get a good look at. Oh my gosh. Guys, if this is the same size, man, these guys all fight amazing. Yo, he does not like me trying to bring him up. All right, there we go. Put the heat on him. Don't want to high stick my rod because this is the only rod about. Bruh. Oh my gosh, they're blowing up right there. So epic. All right, we're gonna work this fish because like I said, he's fighting way harder than the other one. And oh, he's not a bad size one. Not a bad size jack. Oh my gosh. The run he took though. Oh, yo, he's a good jack. Oh my. Oh. Yo, he got attacked. Holy crap, dude. Alright, wait, I'm gonna pull him up because he definitely got attacked by something. Wait up, buddy. Oh my gosh, either that or he's been attacked. Oh, yo. I don't know. They don't really look that fresh, but that one does. Damn, something definitely try to go for this jack, dude. Big jack. Yeah. I'm on the frog, bro. The frog. I don't know if something had it in its mouth and I pulled it out or what's up. But guys, this is not a bad jack. We're gonna let him go. Alrighty, buddy, you ready? You. There he goes, fight another day. You. On the frog, baby. On the frog. He took a run, and my drag was pretty tight too. I turned this frog inside out. I don't know what frog company this is, but the durability, impeccable right now. Impeccable. Do I got a wind on? I hope not. Let me see. Oh no, they're going crazy right there though. Yo, look! Alright. We're gonna go check it out with the frog. Oh, they're right here under me. They're right here under me. So I can get them to blow up. It's like, I don't know, good amount of jacks right here. Oh my gosh. Yo, those are some big sharks, dude. Let me try to stand. I want to show you guys this mayhem. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, and then the shark comes. Apology for the wind. I mean, yeah, I didn't think that the wind was gonna pick up like that strong today. It said it's only supposed to blow a couple, but yeah. We just gotta find where these jacks are at. I see some stuff on the surface right here. Let's see. Are these where the jacks are? Over here. Oh, yep, there they go. We found the jacks. I did not see any shark on them, which, oh my gosh. Did I see any sharks? I'm trying to pump this one in as fast as I can. Before he gets sharked. I did see some big ones in there though. This one might be one of the big ones. Oh yeah, this is one of the good ones. Oh, there he goes. Popped off. I don't even think he was hooked in the mouth. I think he just got it by the side. That's the best scenario in case those sharks are still around. But I didn't see them, so they might be long gone. I'm hoping. Going crazy for it. Yo, come over here, Matias. Oh my gosh, that was a big wake. I mean, yeah, that was... Oh my god, what the... I was wondering where it went. Okay. Got him, not a bad one. Dude, these guys go nuts for the frog in its mouth, dude. Yo, this is not a bad one either. Oh my gosh, not a bad one either. I'm just trying to get them in fast and then release them fast. Just like that. Beautiful little jack, maybe like a little 5-pounder. Swims off. Come here, Matias. There. See if we can get one back to back. Let's take a seat and just be thankful that we just caught all those fish on the frog, and they're just hungry today right now at least. Bro, me and Matias were fishing for I think like what, okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 6 hours, no bites, but that's fishing. And now the bite just turned on just like that. And yeah, a lot of people might not like jacks, but dude, I love jacks. You can never, you see the blow-ups, you can never go wrong with them. And they pull drag and they eat it like a crazy monster, dude. You can't go wrong with jacks. Instantly. Look at that, like GTs, bruh. GTs is like this, dude. No way. No way. I don't know how this happened, but look. Oh man. I'm hoping I can get this over with real quick and then we'll get back out there. It's just so tangled. It's just gonna take me a minute. Alright, my pescadorians. So I tried to salvage as much line as I could, but that thing was just straight knotted, like one of the worst wind knots I ever got. So I have to go re-spool my reel soon, because yeah, I barely have any line on it, but we're still gonna give it a cast. We're just rocking 50-pound leader now, so in case that way we can muscle these fish in instead of letting them run. But we're gonna see if they're gonna be willing to bite right now. It took me like 20 minutes just to try to get some on. Alrighty. Alright. Oh, I'm already at vacuum. That's crazy. Oh, nope, they're still here. Alright, check this out. They're still here. And the shark is still here too. Alright. They're still here. Alright, maybe we'll just have to come another day with spooled line and see if we can get on them. Yep, right there. Check this out. Oh, dude, there's a good jack right there. No, I want the ones in the back. Nope. That shark is. That shark is watching me. Watch this. This is probably gonna be one of the sickest eats I get right here, close to the kayak. Oh my gosh, I let too much line out. Let's do that again. Yep, right under them. No? They did not want it. Interesting. Oh, they're right there. Should be around them soon. Okay, let's get back out there. Gotta get my sailor legs ready. Where are these? Oh, they're right here. They're right here. They're probably looking for it too. You'll see them. They'll go crazy for it, like berserk. Oh, yep, they're on it. They're on it. They're on it. Oh, they're right there, they're right there. I just saw some right here. Ahead of me, ahead of me. Let's paddle, let's paddle. Yeah. Conditions today are crazy right now, dude. Oh, dude. Holy crap, the freaking shark. Big shark, dude. Attack this kayak! Right here, right here. Yo, that was... Alright guys. Okay, so I was just paddling right here and a big old shark just freaking attacked the yak. Oh, they're right in front of me, they're right in front of me. Good school, wait up. Good school right in front of me. Alrighty. We're just gonna cast out there. Nice little school. Oh my goodness. I see a shark in that one. Oh, there's right there. I just cast it in the wrong direction. Right there. Oh, they're right there too. Oh, we're gonna check right here in the school. See, there's nothing. Oh, check this out, check this out. Dude, the bigger ones are right there. Yo, check that out. Oh my gosh. Yo, you can't beat it. How many follow-ups is that? I don't even know. 2 minutes. Oh, that one had it. Oh, dude. There's actually some good ones in there too. Oh, they're on them. They're on them. Where'd they go? That's the thing. They should be close by. Shouldn't be too far. That's not a bad one. That's not a bad one. Hopefully I have enough line for this, guys. Like I said, I'm on my vacuum, so I'm pretty much almost full. Oh, that's not a bad one at all. Hopefully I can land this one. I mean, he's not crazy huge, but he's actually a good one. I think probably the biggest one hopefully I can land today. He's running. Pump him up. Oh yeah, good one, good one, good one. On the frog, dude. That's insane. Oh my. Yep. Putting the heat on him. Oh. Oh shoot. Almost fell right there. Alright, we're just gonna sit down now. And we're gonna Put the paddle right there. We're gonna pump him in. Putting that oh my gosh, putting the 4K to work today, baby. Oh yeah, that's like a 10 pounder, maybe 15. Check that one out. Holy crap, wait up. Oh, yo. Matias, check it out. Yeah, baby. Guys, okay, here, let me see if I can show it to you guys. You ready? Like, it's crazy what these fish are eating. You guys see that? That's a topwater frog, dude. This is like a solid 8 to 10 pounds probably. He's very fat. And there were some bigger ones in there too, and he was not coming on. Man. Throw, Matias, throw. It's Jack's, throw. Dude, good Jack right here. We're gonna de-hook him. Oh my gosh, they're right there blowing up right in front of me. Good Jack. Maybe like a 8 to 10 pound Jack, maybe plus. Just make sure my line right. Beautiful little Jack. Yes, sir. Check that out. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm telling you, bro, they're blowing up like crazy. It's a good one? Good size, right? Oh my gosh, shark! Oh my gosh, he bit him in half!
He bit him!
No!
I was about to pull out my camera too, man.
Damn!
Late, bro. That shark, it was like 4 feet, not much.
Damn!
What a shark did!
Oh no! Damn, he got him good.
I always have my camera ready. See, I need a GoPro, bro.
I'm telling you, it's worth the money. Alright, show him off. Damn!
Hey, he's still going.
He's getting some B-roll, but I'm gonna see while Matias is rigging up. I'm gonna see if I can get one fish for you guys. But I'm just excited to get some B-roll, some cool shots. I mean, they're not blowing up like they were earlier, but they're still eating on top. So as long as we can find them, I think we can get one on. So all we're doing is just randomly casting, whether it's a little mullet, frog, topwater, like we're just doing that and just seeing if we can get followed up by something. Go on this side, just start retrieving, just try different directions where you can find these fish. Once you can find these fish, I mean, they'll just start blowing up like, oh, yep, they're on me. Oh, yo, I got that eat. Yo, that was so sick. Ow, that dude, he came out like a GT. Yeah? Like full out, like just smoked it. Okay, there we go. Not a bad one.
Pretty good.
Swing them in. Oh. Open that bail. Look at that on Matias. What am I getting them on? What am I getting them on?
Oh.
What am I getting them on?
Did I hook it? Wait.
No, you good? Oh damn. What am I getting them on? Frog, baby.
Frog? Oh, yeah. You still got the frog on?
Yup. Alrighty. Let him go. There he goes. Alright guys, so we're gonna call it right now. We're making our way back to the truck. We're paddling out there. We had an amazing day today out on the water. I mean, getting them on top water, you can't beat it. Especially Matias, he was killing them. You got any words, Matt? Any words? Any wise words?
Any words?
Yeah.
Go kayak fish.
Yes, sir. Alright, I also want to give a big shout out to Matias for letting us borrow the yak. I mean, we wouldn't be catching these fish without Matias. So, big shout out to Matias. Also, comment down below. Happy birthday, Matias. It's his birthday today, and we killed it today. So, thank you guys for watching. Take care. Hope you guys get on some studs. Tight lines.